Hi there, this is just a short little video to help you know what to do with your avocado. Avocados are super big in the keto world because super healthy fats, plus they taste fantastic, but mostly super healthy fats. They are, if you're looking at macro quantities for avocados, just know that they are high in fiber, so don't be confused or shocked if you look up a macro count for an avocado and see like tons of carbs. The carbs in an avocado are mostly fiber, so you can detract that from the total. Avocados are very, very nutritious, lots of super healthy fats, and we love them. However, if you are new to the kitchen and or new to keto, you may not really know what to do with this weird looking fruit, so I thought I would give you just a little demo of 2 ways you can deal with it. So, first thing I'm going to do is I am going to cut it in half. Now you'll notice that I put my knife in and it comes to a hard stop. And that's because if you've never seen the inside of an avocado, there is a massive stone or pit in the middle. So you're going to get there, your knife's going to stop. So then you want to hold it carefully. Push your knife round in a circle. And then what you want to do is hold it with both hands and twist. So knife all the way round, twist, and your avocado will come in half. And that's when you will see the offending pit or stone that's in there. Now, I found the best way to remove this is to carefully whack it with a knife, and then it will just pull out. Whoops! And there went my avocado pit clear across the kitchen counter and onto the floor. So, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can deal with this depending on what you want to do with your avocado. If you simply need the flesh of the avocado for, say, something like a smoothie, or because you're adding it and it's just going to get mushed up, then the best way to deal with that is to simply get a spoon and scoop out all of that delicious avocado flesh. It comes out very, very easily to leave you with this skin. You can, if you're feeling crazy or adventurous or have a bunch of time on your hands, you can actually just peel back the skin of the avocado because it comes off very, very cleanly. So if you do want, let me just get that out of the way. If you do want a very clean, so that you can slice the avocado and make it look gorgeous, then you can simply peel the skin off. There are other ways to deal with this that you'll see that there's some ways where you can like score it and then just push it out so that the skin folds out backwards. But for me, if I really want something to look beautiful or I want even size slices, I just peel off that skin, oops, like that. And then I have my avocado. And then I simply get my knife and I either cut it this way or that way, depending on the finish that I'm trying to get. So for me, I am just going to slice it that way, as thin or as thick as your recipe calls for, or depending on what you're doing with it. And then you have a beautifully sliced avocado. So that's 2 ways to deal with an avocado depending on your end game. I hope that has taken the mystery out of these ugly little brown things and given you the confidence to go to the store, grab an avocado and start using it in your own keto meals. Enjoy!